Qingdao OULI Machine Company, rubber mixing mill machine safety system display. Each machine has 4 emergency stop buttons on the machine front and back. First, show emergency stop button function. At the push of a button, the machine rollers will instantly reverse. Second, show feed click stop system. Just touch the kick plate and the roller will reverse immediately. Third, show emergency hand ring. After sensing the hand ring, machine will stop immediately and reverse. Fourth, show chest crash stop system. Machine roller will also reverse immediately. The safety system will protect your safety in all aspects. Trust Qingdao OULI Machine Company to ensure your safety.